Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure State Farm Drive Safe and save enrollment step by step clearly. To begin, visit the State Farm website or open the State Farm mobile app. Log into your State Farm account with your username and password. If you do not have an account, select the option to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Drive Safe and Save section. Click on the option to enroll in the program. Review the program details and benefits provided. Select the button to confirm your enrollment. You may be prompted to provide additional information regarding your vehicle and driving habits. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your enrollment. After enrollment, download the Drive Safe and Save app if you haven't already. Open the app and log in using your State Farm account credentials. Grant the app any necessary permissions to access your location and driving data. Begin driving to collect data on your driving habits. Remember, the app tracks factors such as speed, braking, and phone usage. After a few weeks of monitoring, check your progress within the app. Review any feedback provided to improve your driving behaviors. Once you've completed the required tracking period, your discount eligibility will be assessed. You will be notified of any discounts available for your policy. Continue using the app to maintain good driving habits and maximize your savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.